check this. This is the world's first 3K dual 16-inch gaming laptop. So this is the new ASUS Zephyrus Duo. This thing is absolutely nuts. Like if you haven't seen this before, check out how this thing looks. It is absolutely next level, and it has the detachable keyboard, which you can snap on. Obviously a couple different orientations. You can have it in traditional laptop mode like this. Of course, my favorite in dual screen mode. You can rock this in tent mode, a couple different orientations, which we'll get to. But before we hop in, there's actually a cool way. If you're a fan of like ROG, a fan of ASUS, there's a fun little contest that they're running. Typically laptops like this are announced at Computex over in Taipei. You can actually come with me this very chance. There's a couple days left to enter, so I will leave a link down below. It's 5 days, 4 nights. You can experience Taipei in ROG's eyes. You can even visit ASUS's HQ, which I've been to. Super, super cool. So remember to enter. I'll be there. We'll have a ton of fun, and you can see essentially how laptops like these are made. So getting into this, before we start, there's actually a really cool thing when I was unboxing this. It has one of the most premium unboxings that I've had from ASUS laptops. It feels super, super unique. The box in itself, super premium. You can see ROG Zephyrus, and it has the logo in ROG Zephyrus, almost like the Matrix kind of style in the logo background, which is super cool. Once again, very premium. You can see it came with the laptop itself, a proprietary charger. It's 250 watts. It's beefy. You can charge it to around 50% in 30 minutes, and it's a 90 watt hour battery. So it does take up a lot of juice. Just keep that in mind, but it also has huge power output. So for this gaming laptop, like I said, you can spec this all the way up to an RTX 5090. It's got the Series 3 Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, the 386H. It's essentially the best spec laptop that you can get right now, but the unique thing is obviously this dual 16-inch build, 3K OLED. It is fully touchscreen, and like I said, you can use it in different orientations. So this is perfect for that like one laptop setup if you don't want to have multiple displays, if you just want to rock everything with essentially one device. So like I said, a couple different orientations. You can have it like a traditional laptop. You can have it like fully planted down. You've got this detachable keyboard that just snaps on like that. Now it's a traditional laptop. So you can obviously use this to watch content if you just like to game with one screen. The build of it is really sleek as well. So if we actually go to the front, you can see the kind of ROG logo. It's illuminated when it's open. Keep in mind that because you have the two screens with that kind of keyboard in between, it is a bit on the thicker side, but they don't skimp out on ports. So you've got that proprietary charger, obviously. You've got HDMI 2.1, USB-A, USB-C. That's Thunderbolt 4, as well as the headphone jack. And on the other side, you've got another USB-C, USB-A, and an SD card slot. Great for creators. And this is only 1.9 centimeters thick and weighs in at 2.82 kilograms. So it is, once again, on the heavier side, but what you're getting in return is some of the best specs for a laptop. So let's go into, I guess, the displays. I mentioned, obviously, the 3K OLED. In dual screen mode, it actually has this really nice metal hinge on the back, which has some really good rigidity. So once that is fully propped up, you can kind of open it fully. And like I said, this is where you have all the different options. So imagine you have, you're playing a game on one, you've got the chat on the other, you can stream snipe in one, and when you're playing the game on the other, you can watch content on both screens. And when you want to rotate that, you can technically put this into portrait mode. You can see how the orientation switches, and then you can do things like coding in portrait. It's a lot easier. Or if you want, you can scroll social media, doom scroll TikTok and say YouTube Shorts on both of them. Just be the most unproductive POS on the planet. Nothing wrong with that. The next option is to technically share it. So you can put this completely flat and share content across the screen. So say you're looking at a particular document, someone on the other side can use this screen or can kind of see what's going on. And since the hinge is 320 degrees, you can get that pretty much fully into tent mode, and then you can share content on either side. And you can actually see here in one of the options, you have the option to have share mode. So either extend or duplicate what's going on to the screen. So 5 different modes that you can kind of choose from. Let me know what you would use it for. But yeah, super, super versatile. One of the coolest laptops that is on the market with this screen. And I would say with this dual screen technology becoming like way better, I know it's been out for like a couple years, but I feel like the smoothness, the transition between the displays has gotten a lot better. It's pretty much the time where I could say it's not as like big of like a gimmick. This is like a fully usable laptop that pretty much has no other compromises. So for the rest of the chassis, this is all CNC'd completely out of aluminum, really well built. Like I said, it's in a new colorway of stellar gray. pretty like sleek, pretty professional looking, and you can see the grills on the back. That's all for cooling, and like I said, for that really nice hinge mechanism on the back. Doesn't add too much extra bulk, but it is still sturdy enough to keep the laptop fully propped up. And maybe one of the coolest features, which is just purely aesthetic, I love how the Intel stickers, the NVIDIA stickers are on the back and not on the inside of the laptop lid, which design change, sticker placement guy, whoever you are, thank you. We appreciate you. So I mentioned the fans on the back. So it actually has 2 fans. So it's a dual fan design and has a vapor chamber. So it's ROG's intelligent cooling. And it also has a graphite nano insulated film on the inside just to help with thermal management. So it just doesn't throttle on you because, when you are pushing that highest performance. So like I said, this has the RTX 5090 on it. So you can get the best performance for a gaming laptop. So AAA titles, I was running Cyberpunk. For the majority of it, you're easily getting 140 to 180, even at ultra settings, and even games like Battlefield, you're getting over 240 plus with frame gen. My personal favorite, Hogwarts Legacy, was literally playing at the max settings. You are getting the highest gaming performance. So if you're investing into a machine like this, if you're ever worried about can this handle the next game that you're gonna get, this will be able to handle that at the highest settings. Any AAA game that you throw at this, it is performing literally like a gaming PC, but it has the portability of a laptop. That's why you're paying the money for this. So for the displays, I mentioned 16 inches at 3K OLED. And what I really like is the second screen, the one at the bottom doesn't compromise in terms of performance. Typically those, underneath or the bottom displays suffer. Once again, not the case with this dual screen. Both look really good. You've got the benefits of OLED, obviously really great viewing angles. You've got great contrast ratios. The blacks are nice, deep, dark, and inky. It's just more immersive. When you are within gameplay, it feels like you're part of the world. Whatever you're playing just looks better on an OLED panel. So you've got 2 of them. Once again, no compromise on the second screen, which I love. And even something as simple as, snapping on the Bluetooth keyboard. Once again, in previous gens or a couple of years ago, this would almost feel janky. There's no weird wiggle on it. It snaps on pretty securely. You've got a nice large trackpad and even the chiclet style keyboard. Great to type on. So when you want to be productive, when you are sending that occasional email, when you're trying to catch up on a little bit of work on this, because this can do it all, you still feel like this is a very capable device and not just meant for gaming. You can literally do everything with this machine. One thing that I actually really liked, especially for gaming, since I'm not always, with my headphones, when I'm playing here at the studio, I like to have, external sound. It actually has really good speakers. So there's 6 built in. It's got Dolby Atmos, so it's nice and immersive. The bass is really good, and typically for gaming laptops, once again, I feel like speakers is something that are sacrificed or aren't really thought of too much. Once again, for this, I would say one of the best speaker setups that I've heard on a gaming laptop. And last but not least, obviously battery life. So very dependent if you are playing like a AAA title on this. Battery will drain quicker. For any extended gaming session, you'll probably want to keep this plugged in. But if you are just doing, regular productivity tasks, if you're playing something a bit lighter, something say like Fall Guys, maybe something like a platformer you can get by, but I like with the bigger charging watt or the bigger charging battery pack, you can charge this up, like I said, up to 50% in just around 30 minutes, which is great. So yeah, super dope laptop. It's super unique. If you haven't seen like a dual screen laptop like this before, I think ASUS does these the best. So once again, this is the Zephyrus Duo. If you want to win that chance to head to Taipei to see where these are developed, to visit the ASUS HQ, check out Computex, a lot new tech announcements. Remember, enter below. I believe there are a couple days left. Hope you enjoyed your first look at probably, I'm gonna say it, the coolest gaming laptop of 2026. Dual screen mode, let me know how you would rock it. Try not to stream snipe too much. I'll catch you in one of my next vids, and good luck for the giveaway for that contest. I will let you know on social who ended up winning. Peace.